typical setting in software projects, is to do things with strict deadlines, and in a seemingly rush, which leaves no time for learning. Yet, only constantly evolving technological and methodological know-how makes a software organization succeed in the long term. This evolving know-how enables doing smart things, for smart goals, and leaving out a lot of unnecessary work. Too often, software organizations, even those stating to be agile or lean, work so that they split tasks to individual team members. Everybody completes the tasks on their own. Usually everyone picks the kind of tasks they can do with their current knowledge. This leads to solving the problems we can solve, not the ones we should be solving. Then, every morning in daily Scrum meetings, we report to others what we have done. Some might even listen when others tell what they've been doing. This all is done with the best intentions of working seemingly efficiently, in the short term. What we have really achieved is everybody sitting busy at their desk. Learning in the team, sharing knowledge, and shifting the team's focus to actually getting something ready isn't optimized. When team members change, or new projects start, people don't have knowledge about the needed technologies and domains. It's expensive and frustrating to find and train new people. Alright. How do you then implement efficient and scalable learning, and knowledge sharing, on team level? And between different teams? The teams should effectively adapt new technologies and methodologies. And let me guess, your organization wants them to be productive from day one. I will show some methods for enabling learning in software teams. First thing to do is shifting the focus to building epic-level tasks together. The team builds one epic at a time, together, with the whole team. We have a shared goal of getting things ready and out into the world. Nobody is just building their own little features, but wants to help others in achieving the common goal. Pair programming is one effective way of learning and spreading knowledge. Code reviews and Git pull requests work as well. Mob programming is one effective way of spreading know-how. Yes, all the brilliant people working on the same thing, at the same time, in the same space, and on the same computer. People with the least knowledge about the technology, or domain, take the most time typing. The spectators are supposed to discuss their point of views and elaborate their know-how, so that others can argue, and the person who's typing knows what to do. You could mob program with your mother. Mob programming has been discovered to be a very efficient way of spreading and teaching domain and technology-related knowledge, especially tacit knowledge. It's easy to invite outside technology or domain specialists to visit your mob programming sessions. What about spreading knowledge between different teams? It's definitely a good idea to support the formation of unofficial groups around different interests. You can call them circles, tribes, or whatever. They produce new knowledge. You can support the active people in the unofficial groups to network outside your own organization, and attend conferences. You can arrange fair days, open spaces, tech days, etc., where people meet and learn what others have been doing. A well-edited weekly newsletter, or video, is a great way of sharing what has happened, and how we have come closer to our common goal. Visiting the mob programming sessions of other teams is a great way of taking your knowledge to others, and bringing something back to your own team. It helps if your organization has a clear and purposeful vision, to which everybody can align their self-development. When you assign software developers greater responsibility than just doing some tasks, then your people start seeing the value in developing themselves. For example, the popular Scrum of Scrums, between different teams, works only if the teams share common goals, which will help the entire organization succeed. Doing the things discussed before helps your people gain self-confidence. Suddenly you have proud professional teams, which also discover to be working in a top organization. This makes recruiting and briefing new people a lot easier. Your active culture certainly has a positive impact on your brand and business as well. I believe the more self-regulating your organization is, the better it adapts to changes in markets and the world. The constantly evolving world isn't so scary anymore. Group phenomena regulate the system much better than, for example, hierarchy. Self-determination motivates people to develop themselves and optimize the whole business and value chain.